DSWD will file charges against those who instigated the ransacking of relief goods in its office in Davao City. DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman believes Typhoon Pablo victims were deceived by of those groups. More from Elena Luna.
The DSWD is studying the possibility of filing a case against the group that forcibly entered their Davao Regional Office.
Ang alam ko, may isang media outlet na nakapag-interview. And that came out sa media, sa isang channel, na na-interview nila ang at least 4 na nagsabing ang kanilang alam, magse-celebrate sila ng February 25 People Power Anniversary and bibigyan sila ng isang sakong bigas ni Mayor Duterte. Yung isa naman, ang alam niya, magbi-beach, maliligo sila at sila ay bibigyan ng isang sako ng bigas na Mayor Duterte.
DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman says they are closely working with the Office of the Davao City Mayor for the identity of those who led the group. The case to be filed will include destruction of public property.
Pero ang amin hong nakikita, meron talaga pong hindi matapat na pagmomobilize na nangyari. Kaya sa amin hong tingin, kailangan managot yung mga sa mga nabiktima nga ng Pablo na, bibiktimahin pa natin ng ikalawang beses. Kaya para sa akin, kailangan po silang managot.
Secretary Soliman reveals they have signed an agreement with the group after a dialogue. They agreed on 6 points.
The Barong Katauhan, DSWD Region 11, PLGU, that's the Provincial Local Government Unit, the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, the Municipal Local Government Unit, and the Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office, the Barangay Local Government Unit, and Balsa Mindanao have agreed to fast-track the validation on the numbers of families who did not receive enough goods, the sitios and puroks in the barangay which did not receive or failed to receive sufficient relief goods, and Barong Katauhan will provide the list of the list if there are indeed areas which did not receive or which obtained inadequate relief goods.
The official stresses the government continues to distribute food packs to the victims of Typhoon Pablo. More than 1.6 million food packs have been given to more than 233,000 families in Region 11. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.